everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a holiday card. So let's begin by mentioning a few little things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So the artwork here on the template is the gold lines that you see here. This section right here. The social media icons, the color cannot be changed, and the background is a textured background, so you can see that I'm moving it. If you don't want to use it, you can just delete it and just change the color of the background to whatever color you would like. But let me bring the background back. There we go. Everything else on the template can be changed. You can change the color of the text, the size, and choose a different font type. And that goes for all the text on the template. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. Let's remove our placeholder and upload our logo. Please remember to upload your logo to Canva. So my logo has a transparent background, so it blends in with the background of the template. If you have a logo that has a color background, then what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down and go to the section called Frames, select the circle, click on your logo and drag, and now you should be fine. You have your Spanish template below, and on the last page you have your social media icons. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.